What's going on, and welcome back to the Diamond Kinetics hitting series. In today's video, we are going to be talking about two of the most popular hitting metrics in the game today, exit velocity and launch angle. Before we dive in, let's make sure we're on the same page about what these metrics actually mean. Then we can dive into how you can improve them. Exit velocity is the measure of how hard a ball is hit, and launch angle is the vertical angle that the ball leaves the bat. Both of those metrics play a major role on where each ball ends up at in the field, or what I like to call a results-based metric. But it is much harder to train based off simply results. You need to take a look at the components that make up the swing in order to do this effectively. That's where the Diamond Kinetics SwingTracker comes in. Each of these results metrics can be tied strongly to a training metric within your DK app. Exit velocity is largely affected by impact momentum, while launch angle can be tied to approach angle. Let's take a look at what each of these metrics describe. For impact momentum, we are looking at the amount of momentum in the bat when it makes contact with the ball. In other words, it measures a hitter's power. This metric takes into account the speed of the barrel throughout the swing, along with the dimensions of the bat, in order to give you that power output. So how does this affect our results metric of exit velocity? Well, increasing your impact momentum score by 1 will increase your exit velocity by about 1.5 miles per hour. That translates to almost 6 to 10 more feet of carry on the ball. The number you should be striving for here is 27, and remember that can be affected by trying out different bat sizes as well. Now, onto approach angle. This metric is the measure of the direction of your swing plane throughout the swing up until contact, measured in degrees. The key takeaway from this metric is that each pitch is going to be traveling downwards towards the zone at a certain degree. Matching your swing plane to that path is going to maximize your chances of making solid contact. So how does this relate to launch angle? Well, let's take a look at the launch angle and approach angle for hits that turn into line drives. The launch angle of the average line drive falls between 10 degrees and 25 degrees. The ideal approach angle to create line drives falls between positive 5 degrees and positive 10 degrees. Taking this a step further, home run launch angles fall between 25 to 35 degrees, and to put the ball over the fence, you should be training to generate above a 15-degree approach angle. Looking at launch angle and exit velocity is a great way to view your results, but achieving those results starts in training, and looking into your approach angle and impact momentum are where you should start. I'll see you in the next one.